In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an online exam using Microsoft Forms. This tool is incredibly versatile and user-friendly, making it a great choice for educators who want to streamline the exam process. Let's jump right in. First, head to forms.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, so pause here and take a moment to do that. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage all your forms and quizzes. Next, you'll want to click on New Quiz. This is the starting point for creating an exam. You'll notice a blank template pops up, prompting you to enter a title for your quiz. It's important to choose a clear and relevant title as it helps students immediately understand the focus of the exam. You can also add a description if needed for any additional context or instructions for your students. Now, you have the option to start with a template or create a quiz from scratch. Templates can be a huge time saver if you want a head start with pre-added question formats and styles. However, if you're looking to customize everything, starting from scratch is the way to go. To begin building your quiz, click on Add New to add your first question. Microsoft Forms offers different question types such as choice, text, rating, and date. Take a moment to consider which question type best suits your exam. For instance, use choice for multiple choice questions or text for short answer responses. Go ahead and type your question. Right below you'll add the answer options. Particularly if you've selected the choice type, you can click Add Option to provide multiple possible answers as needed. Consider the arrangement of these options to ensure they're clear and coherent to the student. If you have numerous questions, consider organizing them into sections. This can help break down the exam into manageable parts, improving the user experience for your students and potentially lowering their stress. One extremely handy feature in Microsoft Forms is the ability to shuffle answer options. This can minimize cheating by ensuring each student has a unique order of answers. Make sure to check the box for shuffling answer options. Additionally, you can go into settings to shuffle questions themselves, keeping your quiz dynamic and unpredictable. Make sure to toggle the switch beside each question to mark it as required. This ensures that students must answer the question before moving on. Lastly, do not forget to set a time limit for your quiz. You can determine how long you want students to spend on the exam, adding a layer of time management to the test-taking process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an online exam using Microsoft Forms. With these tools and features at your disposal, administering exams online has never been easier. Happy testing!